Question of the day: when's the last time that you neglected your hair, that it started to get matted and tangled, that you were pretty sure that you started to form locks? Yeah, let me know down below.
Here we go.
Hey friends, what up? It's your girl MD and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to tackle this mess. I'm going to show you guys some of the steps that I take to rejuvenate my very neglected, very tangled, matted hair. And you'll be able to apply these steps if you ever happen to be in this position in the future. I'm hoping I don't have to cut out any mats or tangles, but that is a strong possibility. First, I'm going to apply castor oil and avocado oil. That is what is mixed in this bottle. And then I'm going to literally just saturate my hair, mainly the roots, but from root to tip. Be careful when you're sectioning off your hair because you want to prevent as much damage as possible. I'm not going to try and detangle at this point. I'm just applying the oil. This is typically what I do when I pre-poo my hair the night before. I was gonna stop here, but I felt like my hair desperately needed more, so we're gonna go back to our roots, and I'm going to apply a generous amount of conditioner to each section, and this is honestly what my hair needed. At this point, I probably could detangle a little, but we're going to save that for tomorrow. I'm just going to cover my hair with a plastic cap, my scarf, and go to bed. I prefer to do this overnight, but obviously you don't have to. It's just a lot easier for me, at least, to do it overnight. The next morning, and I'm taking everything down and I'm going to rinse it out. From here, I'm just going to use clarifying shampoo. Yes, a lot of the products that I'm using today definitely scored pretty low on the Yuka app, but let's just ignore that. I told you guys, I am still going to be using some of the products even though they scored what they did. Using Bead & Body Works to thoroughly shampoo my hair and using my shampoo brush because we want to make sure that we're getting all the dirt and grime for the past couple of weeks cleansed out of our scalp. Your hair is still going to be pretty tangled and matted at this point, but the oils and conditioner did help loosen it up. Now we're just going to move on to the deep conditioner. These are all the normal steps that you're going to take for a normal wash day. So here is the not so fun part. I started off with a wide tooth comb to detangle and it was not doing what I needed to do. So I grabbed my detangling brush, and per usual, you want to make sure that you are being very delicate and careful and working your way from the ends all the way up. Also, try and finger detangle as much as you can. I gave these strands as much of a fighting chance as I could, and we just gonna have to cut this little knot out. It's unfortunate, but sometimes it's just necessary, and we're just gonna have to cut our losses. Just continue to work your conditioner through. Like, you might have to continue to add more conditioner just to make the detangling process easier. The plan was to detangle the majority of my hair on camera, but honestly, this little section took me almost 20 minutes and I was sick of it, so I'm gonna go and I'll be back. I need this moment to be a core memory so that I am reminded of this the next time I keep on putting off washing my hair so that this does not happen again, because this was literally so much work. We are detangled and free. It took a minute, but we got there. Surprisingly, I didn't have to use the scissors again. It was just those two knots, and now we're going to put a shower cap on and go sit under the dryer. I ended up sitting under the dryer for about 40 minutes, and we're just going to rinse like normal. Remember that moisture, and locking in that moisture is crucial to healthy textured hair. So the process that works best for me is the lock method. So I like to use liquid oil cream. You always need to find whatever process works best for you. I'm adding oil to my entire head, followed up with the leave-in, and then you just go and style your hair for the week. You guys know that I am not a style girly. Just going to work with my lifestyle right now until I get back into a solid, consistent routine, which is blowing out my hair. Having my hair in this state is going to guarantee less knots, tangles, and mats, for me at least. And for now, this is just what I'm going to do. I'll probably put my hair into French braids for part of the week and eventually put it up in a bun. Use me as an example of what happens when you do not stick to a solid routine and you avoid washing your hair for weeks on end. But also know that life happens and sometimes we neglect things, so don't be too hard on yourself. You can always get back on track. Let me know what helps you get back into the flow of a routine. I hope you have found this video helpful. I promise I will see you guys very soon. Like always, I love you, I appreciate you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.